So now here's the sample, guys, and please continue to watch. And this is Destiny World Unlimited. Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. And today we got the 3-in-1 laminator and we'll set it up and test it out. Check this Sinuporen 3-in-1 laminator. It's a thermal laminator, and let's see what's inside. It's my first time to have a thermal laminator like this one, and I'm so excited, and I'm gonna give this to my sister in the Philippines. It comes with a puncher, a laminating paper. I think it's like 10 or 20 pieces. So it's really ready to use for any project that you have, as long as the size, I think it's 8x4, and this is the machine itself, and it has a plastic cover. So you have a choice of 5mm or 3mm laminate. So it says 3-in-1 because this laminator has a paper cutter too and a puncher on the side. So after you laminate, you can also cut your paper on the size that you like. What I'm showing you right now is for the model OL188. I will point to you the different parts of this laminator. So on the side is the puncher. So this is the puncher. It's on the left side. This area is the visual positioning in centimeters. This area is the entrance. This area is for the anti-blocking slider. If you have a paper jam, this is the one you're gonna push. This one is the indicator element. When it turns red, it means it's not ready. When it's green, it means it's ready. Next to it is the power button. And this is the cutting head. It's for the paper cutter. This one is the pressing wheel with finger protection. So guys, I already turned on the power on. So the green light is on and it means it's ready. So we're gonna try. Let's put the picture at the laminator pouch, and this is the entrance where we're gonna put the laminator pouch. So I counted again the laminator pouch and it's 10. So the box has a 10 pouches. So now it's green and we're gonna try to laminate artist's picture. This is artist's picture, and this one is very memorable to all of us because I think this is gonna be a good one, a good gift for my sister, because she can do a lot of like ID lamination, like photo lamination for mostly school projects. So I think it's gonna be good for her, and I hope she's gonna like it. When the green LED light is on, it means that it's ready for lamination. So insert the document into the correct pouch size and leave approximately. When the green indicator lit, the unit is ready for lamination. Insert the documents into the correct pouch size. Leave approximately 3 to 5 centimeters each side of the pouch. It is highly recommended not to put several smaller documents into the large pouch. So it's gonna take like 3 minutes before the light turns to green, and The trimmer can be used to cut the paper, card, photo paper, lamination foil, and the trimmer is quick to complete one type of cut, just straight cut. And the puncher, the total thickness of the punch paper card for lamination foil is 0.35 millimeters. So here it is, guys, our finished product, and it's ready. So now we can cut it, that it protects the photo. It's an old photo of my son. And now let's try the punch. Let's try this. Let's see how this works. This time we will try to cut the paper. So just put it on the size that you like. Our lamination machine, 3-in-1, so we can cut the paper, laminate, and also punch. Thanks for watching. Warning and safety instructions. Carefully read this operation manual before operating the unit. Never attempt to open and service the unit. There are no user serviceable parts inside the laminator. Repairs must be done by authorized personnel. Unauthorized servicing. Use only the pouches with the right thickness and sizes. Pouches that are too thin will easily be caught and result in documented jam. Never laminate heat-sensitive materials such as thermal packs papers. Machine surface is hot during operation. Children operating the machine must be Machine surface is hot during operation. Children operating the machine must be supervised by adults. Never use cold seal lamination pouches in a hot seal laminator. The machine, pouch, and documents will be damaged. And never laminate over staples or paper clips. You can hang this picture without thinking that it might get wet anytime. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like our video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.